Last video to amar abruptly disconnect hoy goisile. Ami number 6 or asilu. So let's continue from number 6. Yet koise ki a shopkeeper bought 60 pencils at the rate of 4 rupees 5 and another 60 pencils at the rate of 2 rupees 3. He mixed all the pencils and sold them at the rate of 3 rupees 4. Find his gain or loss percent. So here duta part ase, duta transaction. First 60 pencil at the rate of 4 rupees 5 and next another 60 pencils at the rate of 2 rupees 3. Tar pisot etu eta beleg part, tar pisot he koise sold them means SP at the rate of 3 rupees 4. So profit or loss percent. So profit or loss percent, for finding profit or loss percent we have to find the CP and SP. So let's find the CP first. The CP of the first part, 60 pencils at the rate of 4 rupees 5. So 1 will be 4 rupees 5 by 4. 4 quantities 4 rupees 5. So 1 quantity 4 rupees 5 by 4. So this will be 5 by 4. 4 15s are 60, 15 5s are 75. Then the second part, CP 60 pencils at the rate of how much? 2 rupees 3. So 1 will be 4 rupees 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 2 30s are 60, 33s are 90. So CP will be how much for both the quantities? 5, 9 plus 7, 16. So total CP is 65. Now SP sold them at the rate of 3 rupees 4. He mixed all the pencils, that means this pencil and this pencil, 60 plus 60, 120 pencils. So we have to find the SP of 120 pencils into rate 1 quantity 4 rupees 4, sorry 3 quantity 4 rupees 4. So 1 quantity will be 4 rupees 4 by 3. 4 by 3. 3 40s are 120, so 44s are 160. So this is SP. This is the SP. You can clearly see here CP to besi ase, CP is bigger than SP. So definitely CP minus SP will be loss. That is 5 rupees will be the loss. Now we want to find the loss percent. So profit or loss is always upon cost price. So loss by CP 165 into 100. So this is 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15. So 33, 100 by 33, all the denominators you can see, this is 8, 8, 8, only this one is 33. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. Samir bought 20 dozen toys at a cost of rupees 375 each dozen. He sold each of them for rupees 33. The profit percentage is how much? Again we have to find the profit percent. So for finding profit amak ki lagibo? Amak SP lagibo or CP lagibo? So CP amak dia ase. CP amak ya dia ase 20 dozens at a cost of 375 each dozen. SP amak dia ase, kintu SP to amak single quantity dia ase, each of them 4 rupees 33. So SP is given in single quantity, but CP is given in dozen. Dozen means 1 dozen is equal to 12 numbers or 12 quantities. So let's find the CP first. CP kiman hobo? 20 dozen into 375 each dozen or 375 per dozen. 1 dozen of 375 hoy, so 20 dozen of kiman hobo? 20 into 375. So 375 into 2, 7500. तो এতিয়া আমি SP উলিয়াব লাগে। SP কিমান হ'ব? ইমান ডজনৰ SP কিমান হ'ব? 20। ইয়াত কোৱান্টিটিটো দিয়া আছে আমাৰ এটা 1 পিছৰ কাৰণে, সেইকাৰণে আমি 12 দি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিব লাগিব। সো 20 into 33 into 12 তো কিমান হ'ব আমাৰ? 12 to 240, 240 into 33, মই যদি কৰোঁ 240 into 33, this is 72, 72, so 7920, 7920 20. Now we can clearly see SP is greater than CP, so this is a case of profit. SP minus CP, this minus this, SP minus CP, 9 minus 5, 4, so this is 420. Now we have to find profit percent. Profit percent mane sobe jane ki hoy, profit percent mane profit by CP. This is profit, 420 is the profit by CP. CP amar kiman asil 7500. So into 100 ami korile 100 gone, 5 15s are 75, 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20, then 3 5s are 15, 3 28s are 84. So 28 by 5, 5 5s are 25, 3 remainder 30, 5 6s are 30. So 5.6 is the profit percentage. So question number 8, it all of beleg hoy. A vendor bought 12 items for a rupee. How many for a rupee should he sell to gain 20%? ইয়াত কৈছে কি 12টা বস্তু কিনিছে 1 টকাত আৰু হি হে 1 টকাতে বিক্ৰী কৰিব লাগিব, মানে 1 টকাত হি কেইটা বস্তু বিক্ৰী কৰিলে, কেইটা আইটেমস বিক্ৰী কৰিলে হি 20% প্ৰফিট পাব, 20% প্ৰফিট পাব। আমাৰ হেতুৱে হৈছে মানে কষ্ট প্ৰাইসও আমাৰ 1 টকা হ'ব লাগিব আৰু সেলিং প্ৰাইসও আমাৰ 1 টকা হ'ব লাগিব। The money cannot change, money has to be rupee 1 only. So definitely if he is selling for 1 rupee, he has to bring the number of quantities down. Quantity সবতে হি ডাউন আনিব লাগিব, তেতিয়াহে হি 1 টকাত বিক্ৰী কৰিব পাৰিব, কাৰণ হি প্ৰফিটো গেইন কৰিব লাগিব, প্ৰফিটো আৰ্ন কৰিব লাগিব। তো হেতুৰ কাৰণে that's why all the options you can see, all the options are less than 12. CP he bought 12 items, but he will have to sell lesser number than 12 items because he has to gain profit also. So hetu karone sob quantity to kom ase. Let's see, we'll try to solve it by the basic method aru beleg method to moi dekhai dim. Bought 12 items for a rupee. Bought means CP and selling means SP. So CP of 12 items, rupee 1, clearly amak diya ase question at rupee 1. So CP of 1 item, eta item or kiman hobo 1 by 12. Yet eta bostu ami notice koribo laibo, we have to focus that this 1 is rupees and this 12 is the quantity, a 12 to quantity hoy. Cost price of 12 items rupee 1 aru amak yat ki koise gain of 20%. Gain of 20% mane if there is a gain of 20%, then SP will be how much? SP will be 6 by 5 of CP. Why 6 by 5? Because this is 120 by 100. 120 by 100. 120 by 100. 100 plus 20. 100 plus 20 by 100 of CP. SP is 100 by, sorry, SP is 120% of CP. So 120% is equal to 6 by 5. 26 are 120, 25 are 100. I have written it directly. SP is equal to 6 by 5 of CP. So CP we have got, CP of 1 item, we have got 1 by 12. So SP will be how much? SP will be 1 by 12 into 6 by 5 of CP. 6 by 5 of CP. SP is 6 by 5 of CP, that's why this is CP. 6 by 5 of CP. This is the CP, 1 by 12. So 6 2s are 12. So this is 1 by 10. 5 2s are 10. Yeah, 1 by 10. আৰু ইয়াত 1 by 10 আছে, মই আগতে কৈছো এটো কি ওপৰটো ৰূপী হয় আৰু তলৰটো this is the quantity. So here also rupee is equal to same 1. ইয়াত লিখা আছে for a rupee means rupee has to remain same, whatever the number, rupee has to remain same. So rupee is here 1, rupee is here 1. So 12 items, cost price of 12 items rupee 1. So item is the denominator 12. So here SP is equal to 1 by 10. So this is the rupees and this is the quantity. So for 1 rupee, we have to sell 10 numbers of quantities. This is the answer, 10 number of quantities to gain 20%. This part means that for rupee 1 he is buying 12 items and here for rupee 1 he is selling 10 items. This is the meaning of this 1 by 10. তো এইটোতো বেসিক মেথড হয়। তো আমি ট্রাই কৰিম এটা লাইনতে বা অলপ সোনকালে যেহেতু কৰিব পাৰে, যেহেতু মানে আমি চেষ্টা কৰিম যে এটা লাইনত কেনেকৈ বস্তুটো সলভ কৰিব পাৰে। সো সিপি আৰু এসপি, সিপি আৰু এসপি সেম থাকিব লাগিব, 1 টকা, 1 rupee 1 rupee, it has to remain 1 rupee. So now quantity is how much? Quantity 12 items. This one we have to find. SP for how many for a rupee should he sell it to gain, how many for a rupee should he sell to gain 20%? Kiman he sell koribo lagibo, eito ami najano quantity. So we will take the quantity, unknown quantity as x. So now it is saying that the rupee is same, mane saman poisai khorcha koribo lagibo 1 toka, eito 1 toka hol. So this will be 12 into CP is equal to x into SP. Kele to homan hoise, why it is same? Because we have to sell for 1 rupee, or we have bought for 1 rupee, that is why it is same. So 12 quantity into CP is equal to x quantity into SP. Now what is SP here? SP, as we calculated, SP is 6 by 5 of CP. So in place of SP we will write 6 by 5 of CP. So CP will be cancelled, then 6 2s are 12. So x is equal to 5 into 2 cross multiplication. So 10 is the correct answer. This is the answer, 10. So number 9, very similar. A vendor bought toffees at 10 for a rupee. How many for a rupee must he sell to gain 25%? See, if the rupee is same, if he have to spend the same number of rupee, I mean for CP also 1 rupee, for SP also 1 rupee, aru he profit to gain koribo lagibo 25%. So definitely number of items, quantity has to go down. So this 30 can never be the answer. 30 10 হচ্ছে কম হ'ব লাগিব answer to, 10 হচ্ছে কম যাব লাগিব, 6 8 বা 1 by 5 এটো যাব লাগিব, 10 হচ্ছে কিটা বেছি হ'ব নোৱাৰে, তো 30 কিটা answer হ'ব নোৱাৰে। তো 25 gain 25% means it is 125% of CP. SP is 125% of CP. So SP will be 5 by 4. 125 by 100 is 5 by 4 of CP. So amar ki asil CP aru SP duta toke 1 rupee 1 toka goise 1 rupee tar pisot quantity amar kiman asil, quantity 10 toffees bought at 1 rupee. Now SP we don't know, so we have to take it as x. Now we have to make the equation 10 into CP is equal to x into SP. So SP is what here? SP mane kiman hoy? 5 by 4 CP. So SP here 10 into CP is equal to x into SP kiman? 5 by 4 CP. SP is 5 by 4 CP. So CP gets cancelled, then 5 2s are 10. So x is equal to 4 into 2 8. So 8 is the answer here, correct option 8. You can try at home the basic method also, then you will get more clarity. So with this we conclude the session today. Thank you very much for your time, and we shall meet again.